You can talk to me if something's wrong.
Wow, this eyeshadow is like so blue.
Blue eyeshadow?
Where are the makeup wipes?
Top drawer on the left. I know you think I'm perfect, but I'm not. I've had to struggle and I never asked for help, so if you need help, I'm happy to... Where did you put the cheese grater?
I don't know. Check the freezer. Why is lip liner so hard to put on?
There's always this music I can hear. I've heard it so many times, but it never sounds the same. I'm not sure anyone else can hear it. I'd like to think it's just for me. Let me tell you about my mother. I tried to listen to every word she had to say.
And we all got to open up a box of penguins. So there were 2 in my box, and I was so excited that the first one got out that I didn't know there was another one in the box. And so I needed a little bit of help letting the other one go. And it was so amazing because they just went. I keep using the word amazing and spectacular and those kinds of things, but there really isn't a way to describe the feeling you get when you see these animals enjoying their natural habitat. Like there was this one moment, these birds were playing in this tide pool, like it was a spa, and like just having the best time, like swimming around, jumping out of the water, going back in the water, playing in the waves. Just to see that, to see these guys being penguins was just beyond life-changing and breathtaking. It was just so great. I've always felt that that was